Nowadays, almost every seller offering free shipping as a discount to push their customer to complete the purchase on their store, which is good, you can say, but not that much impactful or persuasive. In this video, we will discuss the idea to make free shipping discounts even more impactful and persuasive. And also, we will see how we can combine it with other available discounts. The problem is most of the sellers didn't pay required attention to make an implementation of their offers. I mean, when we see a discount nowadays as a customer, we already used to it. We saw it several other places as well. But as we notice an actual discounted price, the amount of the attention start increasing and we try to buy with that discounted price. Most of the online stores create free shipping discount with just zero charge, which I believe is an underutilized offer, or can say same ordinary way to make it. So let's see how we can make an impactful free shipping discount and combine it with other available discounts, or can say offers. Hello guys, I am Gaurav and you are watching Outbox Ads. Please hit the like button and subscribe for amazing videos and practical ideas. So let's start with our first step. At first step, we will create our free shipping discount. Click on this discount tab and here you can see some previously listed discounts. And for creating new discount, click on create discount button. Here you can see different type of discounts. This time we will go with the shipping discount. Click on it. And on this page you can create your discount conditions. Can say usually most people are already used to it, but if you are not, just follow my steps or just need to try it on your own later. For method, click on automatic, as this is the easiest way to avail the offer, as the customer fulfill their order conditions and they get the price off instantly. Gives instantly motivation to, you can say it gives instant motivation to customer to complete the purchase. Next, write a title for it. I just write here free shipping for ease. For countries, I just keep checking the all countries option for ease. Also you can select your specific countries as well as per your requirement. Next, minimum purchase requirement is a very important settings. You can set conditions on order value or quantity of items. It all depends on your marketing strategy. This time I just input an order value like 999 INR. You can add as per your country and currency. Next is combination. It is a really important. We will use this a bit later. Stay tuned. And click save. Now our free shipping discount is ready. Now let's move to our second most important step. For that, go to the settings. Click shipping and delivery. Here you will see general shipping rates. Click on it. Scroll down. Here you will see the shipping zone. And for my domestic country, I set standard shipping rate of 149 INR. Mostly sellers set it to 0 to give free shipping discount, which is obviously an old way and not that much impactful to make the purchase. And this is the point I just told you at the start of the video. We also provide free shipping discount, but with an interesting way. To watch, just stay in the video. If by chance you didn't see this standard setting in your store, just create it by pressing add rate, and it's that simple. Use the flat rate option. Okay, now let's see how all these discount settings are visible on our checkout page. For that, I just click on I button to view my demo store. Quickly, I just select a random product. For example, this product. and add to cart. Now just click checkout button. Here I just input my demo store address to view the shipping calculation. Now you can see as I am fulfilling my order condition of 999 INR, it displaying me free discount like this. It cut the charge of 149 and shows free. To say it's really impactful and persuasive. Customers know they are getting an extra 149 rupees INR free discount on this order that store usually charge for the shipping. Now you can see displaying an offer in a different way can be a more impactful. But wait guys, video is not over yet. I have even more interesting thing to show. For that, let's move to the discount tab. Here you can see I have another automatic discounts of buy 2 get 10% off, and you can see I set it with the 10% and minimum 2 items conditions. Okay, pretty simple, you already know it. Now let's see how this is applicable on our checkout page. Let's refresh the page and go to the cart and make this product quantity to 2. Now you can see our buy 2 get 10% offer is applicable as per the condition is fulfilled. Okay, let's check it. Click on checkout button and let's see. Here you can see buy 2 get 10% is applying. But what about our free shipping discount we created earlier? This offer also fulfilling the minimum order value of 999 INR. So it may be a disappointment for the customer who is trying to avail both these offers, and because they are fulfilling all discount conditions yet not getting the both discounts. And for this problem, combination settings come into the pictures. Thanks to the Shopify, they provide this feature. Let's see how we can configure these settings as well. For that, we need to come at discount tab. As you already saw, these discounts are listed here. Let's click on buy 2 and get 10% discount. And at the bottom, you will see this combination setting. Set it to free shipping discount. And if you want to combine it with other types of discount, check these options as well. Obviously, you should test and try these all options. Before moving to the next step, quickly I just want to tell you about my services. You can contact me for premium Shopify store building and setup, Shopify store redesign and customization. Okay, now let's move toward our free shipping discount. Scroll down. And here you need to do the same, set it combined with order discounts. As I said, you should give it a try with product discounts as well. Alright, now all set, time to see our checkout page for the changes. Let's refresh our checkout page, and now you can see both of our free shipping and buy 2 get 10% discounts are applicable, and customer can avail these discounts easily. This is the effective way to provide your discounts. Including me, everyone loves to offer on their checkout prices. No matter what actual discounts they are getting, they clearly see the price cut and try to buy with that. The product. And also don't forget to display all your offers details on the product page so the customer will easily get aware of them. Simply you can display as per the settings available in your Shopify theme.